Hi everyone, so today we're going to be looking at inserting a string in a specific area in a string, in a variable that holds a string. So you'll see this commonly as an example in a telephone app, for example. So if we were to have, I'm going to create a variable here called my number, and let's say there's a telephone number in here, and the telephone number is a string because you've got it from the end user. Except this is all right, except it's not very formatted very well, and you want to put dashes in between, right? In between the 3 and the 4 and the 6 and the 7, obviously. So how would you do that? How would you insert a dash character, a string, in a string? So it's very easy. So you call the variable, so in this case it's called my number, right? Dot insert, and what we're inserting here is we're inserting a character at a specific index. So it's the first one. So the new element is, well, it's just a dash, right? And we're inserting it at my number dot index dot index, and what we want to do here is dot index again my number dot start index, and then offset by, and we say the number that we want to offset it by. The number you want to choose here is, think of this as an array. So obviously it's not, but think of it as an array. So every character is an element. So the 1 would be 0 index. So if you want to put it between the 3 and the 4, well, this would be element 0, 1, 2. I know these aren't elements, but think of them as is, right? They're index 0, 1, 2. We want to put the dash here, so it'll have to be 3. The 3 should show up here. And let's see if this works. And it should work. No, it doesn't. That's because I misspelled offset. It works. There we go. So we've got 123-456, and then that's essentially it. All right. Thank you for watching.